Hello again. The second part of our project, the beauty of a trend line, or how to find important support and resistance areas based on a trend line. And on the first part of this project being part of trading strategies that work here on binaryoptions.net.au. And on the first part, we laid out the theory. Now, in this second part, I would like to show you a classical example on the Euro-US dollar with the 4-hour chart. And as you can see, this move to the upside that starts from this moment of time. So from this moment of time to the upside. Let me make it like this. Let's take a trend line from here, and if you take it like this to here. Let's make it blue. As you can see, this trend line, so it starts from here like this, and then it is being validated once, and from this moment of time you have the validity of the trend line. From this moment on, you know that this is a possible support trend line, a trend line that offers support. So what to do on the next time when price is coming and test this trend line? Well, this is a classical support area, and we are supposed to buy call options based on it. What would be the expiration date? Well, this is a 4-hour chart. The expiration date, depending on the moment of time market is testing this trend line, can be end of day expiration date, can be end of week expiration date, can be even end of month expiration date. If this one comes, for example, on the 27th of February, then you'd trade end of month expiration date, because end of month basically will be only 1 day later. What to do then when price is coming and testing again this trend line here? Well, of course, you're buying call options. And again, the expiration date can be end of day, end of week, whatever. Now this spike higher, actually it happens to come on Thursday, not the previous Thursday, but the Thursday before, and this comes with the ECB, the European Central Bank. So when you have such a move here with the ECB going like this, so the only logical thing to do here is to buy with end of day expiration date. So 1, 2, 3, 4 hours, 4 candles times 4 hours, then you have 16 hours end of day, and maybe even end of week. As you can see, if you buy here at this very moment, end of week, whatever, price still stays to the upside. So this is a trend line that, based on two validation points, if I may say so, gives you the opportunity to trade binary options, buying call options in this situation, as this is a clear support area. And you might say, okay, so what this is proving? What next? Well, if you clone this trend line and you put it on the upper side of the channel here, and try to find a channel like this, you are seeing that basically the let's say price is forming an interesting area. Remember, you are not trading binary options. We are not buying calls or puts until you have the validity of this trend line here, and after this moment you're buying call options. However, here, if you're looking on the left side of the chart, from here to here, on the left side of the chart, this is free information. Everything what's on the left side of the chart is free information. This price action already happened, and you can notice that price is forming here a rejection area, and the same trend line with the same angle, but just projected on the upside. It is actually forming a resistance, even on the previous moves here, almost there at the channel, forming the resistance. So what to do next? Well, if this was a nice place to buy call options, then every time price is reaching the previous resistance areas, now, so here it was a support area, every time price is reaching the previous resistance area, what I would like to do is to go and buy put options. Alright, so why buying put options there? Because price is testing the trend line. What should be the expiration date? Again, it depends very much on the time frame that the area has been identified, and the the moment of day when this is coming. So either you trade here binary options with end of day expiration date or even end of week expiration date. As you can see, this goes for from this moment to here inclusive goes for 18 candles. Now 18 times 4, you have quite some important let's say days and options or possibilities for choosing the expiration date. Let's move on with the third part of this project to see how further to look at this channel and this trend line. Support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support, and what price should do. So bear with me for the third part, and keep in mind this is binaryoptions.net.eu, and those are being part of trading strategies that work. The beauty of a trend line